Let's talk about the page background where we can really change everything in background of the text and paragraph we already inserted, and it's gonna be awesome. So page background, it has three parts like watermark, page color, page border. So watermark is only it'll insert a little bit text at the background, and it'll have transparency like itself. Okay, that you can see right now. There's an example. So we're gonna insert a really a good one. So it is confidential. Confidential. Do not copy. Do not copy. What do you want? For example, let's go with this. And right now you can see there's a little bit text at the background. It says do not copy. So that's about it really. We have more watermarks from office.com, and we have also customized. We could customize a particular text in here, and you can select language, of course, first, and then you can go with text, and then you can choose font and size, and we have also color, and we have also semi-transparent. We have one thing also to talk about, and that is layout, like diagonal, horizontal. Okay, so you can say horizontal or diagonal, so it depends. So again, you should really think about your project. What do you need? Do you need diagonal layout or horizontal layout? Finally, we have page background, where we can choose a color of page background for our document. For example, let's go with this. Looks nice. And then there's also more colors and fill effect. Now we also have fill effect. Okay, we can go with one color. We can go with two color. For example, let's go with gray and black. And you can choose their style. For example, let's go with this one. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Click in here, and it says right now, it looks awful. And then we were gonna go with page border. In page border, we have a lot of things to talk, like box shadow, and 3D and custom. You can pick up a style, and then you can go pick up in the color, pick up the width of the style, and then or you can choose some artwork in here. For example, let's go with the heart shape, and then you can say apply to the whole document, or to this document, or first page only, or whatever. Let's go with the whole document. Let's go create. You can see right now it's a heart shape. Yes, it looks very nice.